Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. This week I want to talk a little bit about structure references in Firefly. So I'm going to go in here to Firefly and type in what I want to create. So I want to type concept art of astronaut floating in front of Saturn, highly detailed. And then I'm going to hit generate. And I have some really nice concept art here, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look on Adobe Stock for a reference image. I went ahead and got that ahead of this and found this image here. I want my astronaut floating through space in the position that this gentleman is in. So what I'm going to do is use this inside of Firefly to make it related. I'm going to come over here to Structure Reference, Upload Image, select my stock image, choose Open, say continue, and once it's processed, hit generate. And here you can see that it's given us the astronaut in front of Saturn in the pose that comes from our original image, and we can use that to create our piece and help us to get the look and feel that we're going for. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.